Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for April 2026. This is a general reading. Pwede ka makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com. You don't have to message me, no? So, o kaya dumiretso na kayo sa calendar. Yung link nasa description or comment section. Or kung hindi nyo makita, just go to mrqueenph.com. Lahat ng information nandun na. Okay, Scorpio. April 2026. What's the energy? Black Moon Lilith. You are staying in power. Or stepping into your own power. Ito yung ito yung sorry not sorry na energy. Na tipong may paninindigan ka sa gusto mong gawin at hindi mo hahayaan na ikaw ay ma-manipulate ng ibang tao. And you also don't care. Wala ka rin pakialam kung hindi sang-ayon sa'yo ang ibang tao or alam mo yun, meron silang hindi magandang opinion towards you. Like, you don't care about that. So, you know your power. You also have series, which is nurture. Taking care of yourself, taking care of your needs, your loved ones. And you also have Aries energy, which is the beginning, pagsisimula. Finally taking action, finally doing your passion. And I think ngayon mas mas in your own element. Alam mo yun, na tipong you know what you want and at the same time meron ka ring lakas ng loob para gawin yon. Kasi minsan kahit na alam natin ang gusto natin, hindi natin ginagawa or hindi natin ina-apply, diba? But for you, it's the time to do it. Take action. You have the Three of Wands. Exploration, expansion. Maaring meron ka ina-anticipate. May hinihintay. Galing sa malayo. So, pwedeng, nag-order ka. Meron kang order. Sa ibang bansa. Galing sa ibang bansa. Umorder ka sa Amazon. Or, this is about a loved one na pauwi. No? Merong mahal sa buhay na pauwi. You have the Seven of Swords. The Sun. Meron kang gustong iwasan. Dahil, you feel like, parang itong person na to ay, alam mo yung nakakairitang kausap or nakakairitang kasama. Tapos, gagawin mo, iwasan mo na siya. Yung bang, parang silently escaping from that situation or from that person. You also have the Sun. The Sun is about your confidence, your pagiging playful and creative. So, I think you will be more creative in a way na parang, yun nga, parang unapologetic. Na you will focus on what you really want kahit na may mga taong kumukontra sa gusto mo. Ay, okay. You have the Three of Swords and the Justice card. Meron ditong disappointment over someone or over a situation na parang feeling mo it's so unfair. You feel like this is not, hindi ito yung dine-deserve mo. Someone might betray you, no? Yung tipong feeling mo binetray ka niya ng person na to. Kasi hindi mo ina-expect na gagawin niya sa'yo yon. Kahit ano pa man to, kahit mag-apply yan sa friends, sa katrabaho, sa relationship, romantic. You feel like you don't deserve it na gawin yun sa'yo. So, pwedeng yung iba sa inyo medyo vengeful kayo rito. You have the... On the other hand, sa kaperahan, may magandang nangyayari. Things are doing well financially, or yung mga resources mo, yung mga needs mo, you're getting the things that you need. You are being spoiled or showered with attention and love sa pamamagitan ng pagbibigay ng gifts sa'yo, ng mga taong nagmamahal sa'yo. Or, this is you na binibigyan mo ng reward yung sarili mo. Because you know that you deserve it. The Empress is also about abundance, bringing abundance in your life. Yung pagiging creative mo, yung creative talents or skills mo, kung i-explore mo to, this will bring you abundance in the future. Okay? So, I suggest na kung ano man tong creative na talents and skills mo, explore mo yan. Sayang naman, o 'di ba? Yung passion mo daw. Whatever you are passionate about, this is going to be more, parang mas determined ka, mas motivated ka. Dahil, maraming reasons for you to pursue your passion. And then, meron ding adventure. So, pwede ngayon, you are exploring your life, exploring your possibilities. Pwede ring yung literal, nag-explore ka na, nagta-travel ka sa iba't ibang lugar. You also have triumph, diba? Merong success. You will be able to feel or have success in your life if you are going to pursue your passion. Para siyang parang meron kang hindi naman siya sa pampalubag loob, no? But, kung meron mang difficult situation when it comes to disappointment sa isang tao na inaasahan mo, na, ina-expect mo na magiging nandyan for you, pero hindi pala, at least there's something that you can look forward to, or parang to feel better or to feel good about, is because you are being blessed financially or sa resources mo. How's that for a happily ever after? Ayan, so you are rising from the ashes. This is you na picking up the pieces again. Alam mo na you've been through a lot, challenges in the past, but now, at least may awareness ka, no, na ito ay pagsubok lang and you're about to start and have a rebirth. Something lovely will grow from this. Ayan. So, you are creating your own garden. Pwedeng literal, nag-gardening ka. Or, this is the passion or love na nagsisimula sa'yo. Like, passion for your career, for whatever projects or plans that you have. So, ito ay mag-grow eventually. Okay? So, that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. See you again.